fascinating experience it is to observe actual fossils being excavated. Knowing these remains could be 8,000 to 40,000 years old boggles the mind.
Ooh, you'd think she'd have boots on.
Start building all these walls and everything?
Oh, no. This actual site has been open since 1969. So, yeah, we've been doing it for about 36 years.
So they just do it for 3 months and then it goes down?
You know, I have questions too right now.
Cool, we're gonna measure it. Okay, you can see what the grid is. I can't tell if it's not a full, it's more than 36 inches.
It's probably a meter.
It's probably a meter then.
No, I thought it's the wood planter.
Oh, they have a little thing here to tell you what they're cleaning.